Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash haul video of hair care products from Ulta, and they just got here, so I'm super excited to open them and try them out. Now obviously hair care is something that you see progression over time. It's not like really immediate or instant results. So I will be making an update video in maybe like a month or two, showing you guys the progress from now to then. So this is what my hair currently looks like. This is how long it is. So this right here is at my hips. So my hair isn't quite there. It comes down just below, like almost to my waist, but like not quite. My waist is like right here. And for those of you who don't know, I highlighted my hair not too long ago. So before, that was actually the first time I highlighted my hair, and before that I used to get it bleached ombre, and I did that like twice, and I would get that done every like year or so. And 2016 was the first time that I ever touched my hair with like anything unnatural. So it was the first time I was ever bleaching my hair, and I got ombre and I absolutely loved it, and then I just did it for years and years. And then recently I wanted to switch it up and try highlights, and I still really love it, but I've just been trying to get my hair healthier recently. Just the more you bleach it, obviously the more dead that it's gonna get, and I've just been trying to get like healthier, longer hair. I also got a little bit of a trim when I went to get it highlighted as well, so it used to be a lot longer than this. I'm just so used to long hair. It's not short right now by any means, but I just like really want it a little bit longer. Even before I got my hair trimmed, it still wasn't as long as I wanted it, so I decided that it would just be the best to get a little bit of trim just so it can have like a fresh, healthy start, you know. For those of you who didn't see my how I got my hair to grow so long video, I basically talked about a little bit of my hair journey in that video as well, and I mentioned that I love the Way to Grow Not Your Mother's shampoo and conditioner and just the product line, and I still stand by that product, and I just love the brand. So I ended up staying within that brand because I know that it works really good for me. Also, at the end of middle school and like the beginning of high school, I chopped my hair above my shoulders. Like literally, I kid you not, I legit look like this. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with short hair. It just personally does not work on me, and I wish I could pull it off, but I just can't. I'm not one of those people. So yeah, long hair just works best for me. And how I got it to grow from here to literally where it was, it took a good couple years because it was a big chop, but I took hair vitamins I explained in that video, and I used the Way to Grow Not Your Mother's shampoo and conditioner, and I loved it. So I got it again recently, and I went through like 2 or 3 treatments of it, so like a couple bottles, and I just decided that I wanted to do like more products not aimed for growing your hair, but just for like repairing damage. So I am not the most educated on hair care. I'm more like makeup and some skincare. My sister knows a lot more about hair than I do, so she picked out the best products that she thought would work really good for my hair. This was the shampoo and conditioner that she picked out for me. The shampoo is to repair and protect, which is great and exactly what I was looking for. This is the Royal Honey and Kalahari Desert Melon. I don't know how this smells. I've never tried this before. That does smell really bad, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not loving the scent too much, but I noticed with washing your hair, the shampoo scent doesn't really stay. It's kind of the conditioner because obviously it comes after, and that's like the last thing that's on your hair. So for conditioner, she got me the blue sea kale and purple. I literally just read the word pure as purple. Blue sea kale and pure coconut water. This is a sea minerals conditioner. It's supposed to be for weightless hydration, and also has electrolyte minerals. It has no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no dyes, no gluten, and no phypholates. Phyhalates. Ooh. This smells really good. Alright, good, because this shampoo smelled like absolute booty crack. And This one actually does smell like coconut, so that's really, really good. As well as the shampoo doesn't have no silicones, no parabens and dyes, no glutens, everything that I just read you. These aren't both in the same line. I know they have a repair and protect conditioner as well as a hydrating shampoo, but I thought that this would be best for me just because I know I want something that's hydrating. So this will repair damage like split ends and all that, and this is gonna hydrate my hair, so it's kind of a little bit of both. I feel like that's better. Both of these are 16 fluid ounces, so I feel like that's a really, really good amount for my hair. Also, you guys, the whole reason why I did this was because Ulta was having a buy one get one 50% off deal. The next thing I got was the matching Repair and Protect leave-in conditioner. This is supposed to amplify softness and maximize smoothness. I also got the Not Your Mother's matcha green tea and wild apple blossom butter mask, and she said that this would be really, really good because it's not just like a regular mask, it's like a butter mask, so it helps hydrate and really like, you know, like lather on your hair. This mask has no sulfate, no silicone, no parabens, no dyes, no glutens, and that no phtalates. So hopefully all these products will really do some good to my hair. This mask you're supposed to use once or twice per week and leave on for 2 to 5 minutes. That's all it really says. I don't really know if I replace my shampoo with this, because I know some masks you do that, or sometimes you do it in between or after. So I'm just assuming that I'm just going to replace it with my shampoo whenever I use it. This is supposed to be a deep conditioning mask with antioxidants, and it's supposed to help restore damaged hair. So for people looking at my hair saying your hair is not damaged, it does not look it, but if you look up close, I just feel like there's lots and lots of split ends. On the back, this mask reads, a detoxifying blend of matcha green tea and wild apple blossom enriches hair and scalp with antioxidants and nutrients for a deep clean. This rich butter mask deeply conditions and aids in restoring damaged strands. Alright, I don't know when this video is going up, but when I'm filming it, we are in quarantine, so I'm going to try and avoid heat to my hair as much as I can. So, yeah, this is just my natural hair. I got in the shower last night, and this is just how it dried. It has like a natural wave to it, so I don't really mind how it looks after I brush it naturally. And today is Tuesday, March 31st, and I'll update you guys, I guess, at the end of April. And all these products do have that stamp that says 98% natural ingredients, as well as the leave-in conditioner, so that's really, really great. On the back, on each bottle, it says the remaining synthetic ingredients, which is the 2%, of the formula is to help ensure its efficiency and shelf life. So that's probably just to make it last longer. I never tried any of these products before. Also, these are all new to me. Didn't even know they existed. This isn't really like a big haul or anything. I just wanted to kind of update you guys on my hair situation. For those of you who were curious from my last video on what I'm like doing currently with my hair, definitely stay tuned for my update video. Super excited to see if it actually works and if my hair gets a little bit healthier. Also, this video is not sponsored by Not Your Mother's. I just really, really stand by their products, and I think they're a great brand. I've had a really, really great experience with them, and that's why I'm really excited to try these products out and really are having high hopes. And it's like really the only thing that I trust on my hair. I have the hairspray, the dry shampoo, and I don't know. I feel like they're a really, really great product for the price point. You can find them at the drugstore, and they have like a bunch of different lines. So like if you want for curly hair, they have that. However, these two products, the hairspray and the dry shampoo, are not part of this haul. I just wanted to include that to let you guys know that that's definitely my recommendation. And yeah, that was it for this little unboxing video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what your favorite hair care brand is, or what you stand by, what you use. Just let me know down below in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. Also, you guys, you don't want to miss my update video to this, and if you want to see if these actually worked, definitely be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Like I said, that video will be in about a month, so like the end of April. In that video, I'll also be including like progress pictures as well that I'll be taking along the way, so it's not just like, oh, you have to watch this video, see what my hair looks like, and then watch the final result, you know? I kind of want to update you guys on after the first use, what it did, and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so, so much, and bye guys!